A roaster oven with convection setting has a fan and exhaust system. Both the exhaust system and fan work to circulate air around the heating chamber to maintain an even internal temperature.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best countertop convection oven. So let's get started. Number 5. Breville BOV900. This convection and air fry smart oven uses super convection technology to distribute heat evenly around the chamber to cook your food faster. And it's got 2 convection fans giving you more control over your cooking. And with its precision cooking and element IQ system, you can choose to make the food in the upper racks heat up more than those at the bottom and vice versa. This is so you can achieve perfect results and savor your tasty meals. Furthermore, the Breville BOV900BSS Smart Oven is one model that comes with air fry, dehydrate, and slow cooking pre-cook settings. Many other models lack these functions. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER CTO6335S. BLACK+DECKER continues to remain a top brand making reliable home products. And their CTO6335S countertop convection oven is one model that speaks volumes of their quality. Now with an extra deep curved interior, you can convection bake 6 slices of toast for breakfast. And by having 2 rack positions, you can broil or roast larger items such as your potatoes and chicken and have a tantalizing dinner with your family. The advanced convection setting of this countertop convection oven makes it deliver amazing results as it circulates hot air inside the heating chamber. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA60. It won't be wrong of me to say this is the best convection oven as it ranks number 1 on Amazon in the toaster ovens category. First, the Cuisinart TOA60 convection oven air fryer model is a great option for families as it can toast up to 6 bread slices and bake a 12-inch pizza. It has got enough room to also air fry chicken weighing 4 pounds. Secondly, because of its air frying and convection setting, it cooks food faster compared to many other convection countertop ovens. This results in your food being healthier, crispier, and looking golden brown. Number 2. COSORI Air Fryer Toaster. This oven makes cooking an exciting adventure with its versatility and ease of use. With 12 pre-cook functions, there's a cooking mode for virtually every food. The manual control dials and the LED screen make the device intuitive. The countertop convection oven also has 5 heating elements and a convection fan to heat food faster and more evenly. The extra large capacity ensures there will be enough turkey to go around when you host your next family gathering. The removable rack means it can hold larger meals, and the rotisserie will give your chicken that perfect brown look. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse 26. The Emeril Lagasse 26 QD has 2 more functions added to being a countertop oven, a convection setting to bake food faster and more evenly, and a rotating rotisserie feature that bastes your meat while keeping it crispy and locking in its flavor and juices. While its large size might not be its most coveted feature, the compact countertop toaster oven has got enough space to fit a 5-pound chicken, 2 12-inch pizzas, or 2 9x 13-inch casseroles. Another exciting feature of the Emeril Lagasse 26 QD is that you can cook 2 meals at the same time. This kitchen equipment comes with some accessories including 2 oven racks, 2 baking pans, a broiler rack, a removable drip tray, and rotisserie accessories. That was our list of the top 5 best countertop convection oven just for you.